What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a Kobe Bryant 2009 All-Star Game jersey. Now with the benefit of hindsight almost 12 years later, the 2009 NBA All-Star Game proved to be very special. This was the first time that Shaq and Kobe played together on the same team after they dismantled the dynasty of the Lakers that won 3 championships together. And another thing that made it special is that not only was this the first time that they were playing together, but they actually settled all their beefs and they were actually starting to become friends again. And after the game was over, Shaq and Kobe actually won co-MVPs, and Kobe Bryant gave his friend Shaq the trophy to take home. So in today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox this jersey. I'm going to do a full detailed review, I'm going to hit you with an unbody, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this Kobe Bryant 2009 All-Star Game jersey. As always, I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching another video. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could take a moment out to destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. Alright, so we're going to open up the jersey and it comes in this big plastic bag. There is some tissue paper. And here we go. Here's our first look at this Kobe Bryant. Bow! I've actually had my eye on this jersey for quite a while, and I just haven't pulled the trigger on it up until this point because it's $350 and I wasn't sure if I wanted to spend $350 on it. But as I was looking at MitchellNess.com and Fanatics and places like that, the sizes seem to be dwindling and the stock seems to be very low on it, so I just went ahead and just copped it now. But now that we got this jersey out of the bag, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this Kobe Bryant jersey. So starting here at the top, you're going to have your white Mitchell Ness tag, and then you're going to have your size tag, and this is a size 44 large, made in China. And then attached, you will have 2 tags. You will have that retail price tag of $350, and then you're going to have your NBA.com tag. And then on the left-hand side of the chest, you're going to have that NBA All-Star logo right there, and that is heat pressed into the jersey. Now, when you get to the middle of the jersey, you're going to have that lettering and numbering, and it says West, and then it has Kobe Bryant's number 24. Now, all this is actually heat pressed. And then on the side of the jersey, you're going to have that gold stripe that goes all the way to the bottom of the jersey. And then you're going to have this stripe design, and it starts off red and then goes orange and then yellow. And it sort of goes all the way till you get to about the numbers on the jersey. Now on the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have your jock tag. So it has February 15th, 2009, Kobe Bryant, Hardwood Classics. And then it has the size 44 large. And that is all actually embroidered into the jersey. Inside the jersey, you'll have your laundry tag, and this is made from 100% polyester and is made in China. Now moving to the back of the jersey, you're going to have that LA Lakers logo at the top that is heat pressed. And then you're going to have that iconic number 24 that is heat pressed. And then the Bryant lettering that is also heat pressed. Now when I originally purchased this jersey, I didn't realize that it wasn't stitched. I thought that, for $350 that all the lettering and numbering would be stitched like most NBA authentic jerseys that Mitchell Ness sells. And then when I got it in hand, I did realize that it was all heat pressed. Now it is disappointing that this jersey costs $350 and you get all heat pressed letters and numbers. However, I'm assuming that the 2009 NBA All-Star jersey that Kobe Bryant wore was actually just like this, and that is the reason why Mitchell Ness chose to do it this way. They're being authentic to that 2009 jersey that Kobe Bryant actually wore on the basketball court. But let me go ahead and throw this on and show you what it looks like on body. Now when it comes to this 2009 All-Star Game jersey, I really like it. I think it's super dope. But it is $350 retail. It's $50 more than most NBA authentic jerseys that Mitchell Ness sells, but I don't regret this purchase one bit. Now as far as sizing goes, I recommend going true to size. So what you would normally wear in any Mitchell Ness authentic NBA jersey, that's what I recommend getting. But I will give you one disclaimer. This jersey is a little bit shorter in length than most other, Kobe Bryant jerseys or most NBA jerseys that they sell. But it's not that noticeable and it's not that big of a deal. But if you're a little bit taller, I'd probably recommend going one size up if you like a more baggy, maybe longer fit. But I want to know what you think about this Kobe Bryant jersey. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for stopping by and watching another video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for me. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.